Hello student, I am your teacher Miss Sitwat here. I hope you all are fine. Now today we will learn about count and write. So let's start and enjoy the counting. Now you will count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fish. How many fish? 10 fish. Alright, now move for the next one. Now you will count the triangles with me. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many triangles? 6 triangles. Now we will do practice from our new Countdown Primer B 3rd edition, page number 2. So, oh wow, what are these? Yes, these are animals. So what is the question written over here on the top line? Write the number of the animals in each box. So let's start. We'll count the animals and write the correct number in the box. So these are cows. Count the cows. 1, 2. These are 2 cows, so we will write number 2 in the box. Yes, move for the next one. These are rabbits. Now let's count the rabbits. 1, 2, 3. So how many rabbits? These are 3 rabbits, so we will write number 3 in the box. Now move for the next animal. These are giraffes. Yes, these are giraffes. So let's count the giraffes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write which number in the box? Yes, write number 4. Now move from the next. Oh, these are hands. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, these are 7 hands. Now move from the next one. Oh, it's a sheep. How many sheep you can see in the picture? Oh yes, only 1. So you will write 1 in the box. Oh, so cute. What are these? These are chicks. Yes, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chicks. So you will write number 8 in the box. So now move in the last box. Oh, can you see any animal over there? No, there is no animal. It means the answer will be 0. So you will write 0 in the box. We will write 0 in the box. So I hope you will do practice at home also with your mama. So take care and bye bye for